turning on right now? I think they're on okay. So first thing I do with this software is I just hit the start button and it ran out a new set of spins. I'm not sure how many, probably 37, but I'm going to switch this over here to 37. That means it'll go 37 spins before a loss. On its own, on this new set, it automatically picked out number 25 right here, as you can see, and I have it up here. Okay, and I'm going to, that doesn't make sense. Oh well, if I hit continue, I don't have control over here of the amount. This thing thinks for itself. That's the way I wrote it. It would automatically jump up to amounts that I wanted it to do. So hopefully it's going to go 37 spins and stop, or it's going to go, if it hits in less than 37 spins, then it's going to continue betting on it. So here's continue. You see down here blue, it hit after 10 spins, and then it hit again at 22 spins. Down here where it's blue, and it did switch to 1. I don't have control over this like I thought I did. I'd have to rewrite it if I can find it. Anyway, I don't like waiting 37 spins on hot numbers, so I'm going to switch it down to 24. And I'm actually going to move up to number 7. And we're at spin 75 now. Now we're at spin 99 and it didn't hit, so it stopped. Went 24 spins without 7 hitting, so it's going to continue now. And it hit. It hit at 27. Had this was a larger number, it would have gone ahead and continued. So 7 is the hottest number. I chose it myself by looking at the chart. So I'm going to continue. If you see up here, I'm at 189 spins and I'm minus 21. And now 22 is the hotter number. And we've been cooling off here. So let's just go over to 22. And I didn't get anything. 22 went cold and 7 went hot. No. Yeah. Once I get to 300 spins, that's about 10 hours of play on a live table. So, as you can see, this thing loses because it has a mind of its own. So let's do another one real quick while I've got a little bit of video time. And that's right, I've been betting, so nothing changes. Okay, so let's go over here and select. Oh, it picked 7, which is the first one with the largest. Okay, we hit continue. We hit once. I'm making money off of that number. I'm going to increase this to 30 and hit it again. And it hit. Wow. Look at how much money I made over here. 359 on whatever the progression is written in the software. It's not the hottest number, but it was hot right here in this stretch. And that's all it took for it to start doing real well. I'm almost at spin 300, but I'll just go one more. Okay, so it lost. So that's it. Let's start a new section. It's probably going to pick number 7 again. Isn't that weird? It's 7's the hot number. All right, and I'm going to let it do its own thing. Let's go with 37 as the cycle. And as you can see, it went 37 spins and it didn't hit, and it's minus 37 because it was at 1. There's 100 spins. Now I'm moving ahead slowly. There, kabamo. It had all these hit. It went 50 spins there. It was pretty hot, then it went 50, then it went hot again. So this is what I wanted you to see from this, is to learn that even a hot number can have a cold spot. So we'll go one more. I'm up to 235. I just went over 300 and I'm up to 95. So that's it. I'm going to end the session. I don't know. I don't see the value of making this software available. I wanted people to learn that here's a really hot number right here. That was the hottest number in the 343 spins. And it had a cold spot. Whoa, I gotta see this. It had a cold spot of 134, and it was the hottest number. Now, you people trying to come up with some kind of a system for a progression or something, you got to know that the very hottest number in the group can still have a huge, killer sequence. Okay, so that's it.